What if you could get $50,000 in business credit without all the paperwork and hassle? Most entrepreneurs think you need to jump through hoops to get approved for funding, but after years of helping business owners, I found a way to skip all the hard parts and still get lenders to say yes. In this video, I'm going to show you my exact blueprint to secure $50K in business credit the laziest way possible, even if you're just starting out. To begin, let me show you the easiest way to build a business that lenders can't say no to. The truth is, most entrepreneurs don't realize how important business structure is to getting approved. When banks lend money, they want to take on as little risk as possible. A proper structure is the biggest indicator that your business is trustworthy. It shows credibility and legitimacy. Think of it like a foundation of a house. If the foundation isn't secure or missing pieces, it doesn't matter how nice the rest of the house looks, no one will trust it enough to move in. Lenders think the same way. If your business isn't rock solid, they're out, regardless of how promising it looks. So, what does a properly structured business actually look like? First is your business entity. You'll want to establish an LLC or corporation. This separates your personal from your business, making it capable of building its own credit profile and history. Next is your employer identification number, or EIN. This is like your business's social security number, and it's how the IRS and other entities identify and track your business. Once you establish your business entity, it's time to solidify the details. Using a residential address or personal phone number can be a huge red flag for lenders. Instead, use a professional business address and a dedicated business phone number. This just adds another level of professionalism. The next element of your business structure is building a digital footprint. This includes obtaining a custom domain, which is the .com name for your business. And after securing your domain, you can use it to create a professional business email address. No more Gmail and Yahoo accounts, y'all. This makes your business look amateur and unprofessional. Instead, use your domain name to create a custom email address. Next, you need to create a website for your business. Even a simple one-page site with your information on it adds credibility to your business. And the last step to your structure is establishing a banking relationship. You can do this by opening a business bank account at a local bank or credit union. This creates a paper trail for your business and allows you to start tracking your financial history. Does that sound like a lot? Well, here's the shortcut. Use a service like busy.com to do all the heavy lifting for you. It's the laziest way to establish a lender-ready business with no confusion or wasted time. Not only do they help you create your business entity and obtain your EIN, you can also use it to establish other elements of your business as well, including your business phone number, domain, email, and physical address. Busy can also help you open up a business bank account. They handle all the paperwork and red tape, so you save time and headaches. Bottom line, don't cut corners. Instead, automate the process. A strong foundation is your ticket to business funding. Use a service like Busy to make it super easy. But here's the thing. Structure alone isn't enough to secure $50K in business credit. Next, I'm going to show you how to build the relationships with lenders that make them want to compete to fund you. Here's the truth. Banks only give funding to businesses they trust. And the best way to build that trust is by establishing a strong relationship. Think of it like this. Building a banking relationship is like planting a tree. The more you nurture it, watering it with consistent deposits and positive transactions, the stronger the roots grow and the more fruit it will bear later. But if you just throw a seed in the dirt and walk away, you can't really expect much to come of it. So, what's the easiest way to nurture your banking relationships so that they bear the fruit of business funding? First, start with what you already have. You don't have to run around opening brand new accounts. Focus on expanding the relationships with your current banks. Make sure you have a personal checking and savings account and that you use them actively. Set up direct deposits, make frequent transactions, and keep your accounts in good standing. And if you don't already, open a business checking and savings account as well. This shows the bank that you're serious and it separates your business finances from your personal. Next, consider opening a personal credit card or a small secured loan. This is an additional data point that shows the bank that you can manage credit and it strengthens your credit profile. I took this exact step with Navy Federal and it not only raised my credit score, but also showed them that I was invested in growing our relationship. Shortly after, I applied for their business credit card and got approved for $25,000. But here's how you do it the lazy way, so you don't even have to leave home. Most banks, including Navy Fed, allow you to open new accounts and even apply for their credit products entirely online. That means no long drives to the branches, standing in lines, or having face-to-face conversations with bankers. Simply find lenders you want to build relationships with and start the process online from the comfort of your own couch. It doesn't get any easier than that. Ultimately, banks want to lend money to businesses, but only to the ones that they know and trust. By actively utilizing your accounts in multiple products, especially with the banks you already have, you make it easy for them to say yes when you apply for business credit. Now, here's the thing. Even with a solid structure and good relationships, you probably still won't get 50K in business credit from just one lender. So what's the secret to getting even more funding than one bank can offer? Well, when I got my first business credit approval from Navy Fed, I was hyped, but I still had a problem. I realized that the 25K that they gave me wasn't enough to really scale my Toro fleet. I needed between 50 to 100K if I really wanted to take it to the next level. So the logical solution was apply to more banks, or so I thought. The more I applied, the more denials I got. But why did I keep running into this dead end? Every application just resulted in another inquiry on my credit report. A bunch of inquiries not only dropped my score, it also signaled to lenders that I was desperately shopping around for money. This is a huge red flag. And that's when I discovered a strategy that I call bank stacking. I researched which credit bureau between TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian that lenders would check. Then I applied to 3 banks that each pulled from a different bureau. That way, none of them saw the other applications, and I limited the number of inquiries that I got on each report. The result? I secured over $70,000 in business credit and was able to build a Toro fleet that generated 6 figures. So, how do you do all this yourself the lazy way? First, use a database like creditboards.com to find out which banks pull from which credit bureau. Simply create a free account, go to the credit pool section, and filter your search by state and credit bureau. Pick at least 3 lenders, 1 for each bureau, and then build the relationships with them as we discussed previously. When you're ready, apply online and watch your approvals stack up without raising red flags. The key is, don't just randomly apply to a bunch of lenders. Strategically stack banks that pull from different bureaus, and you'll unlock way more funding with way less hassle. And for those of you out there wondering if this can get even easier, the answer is yes. All you have to do is register for my free funding formula workshop. Inside, I'm going to be breaking down live examples of every step in the business credit process for you in real time. I'll also give you even more resources to help you secure as much funding as possible. So, if you want more hands-on help on your journey, scan the QR code on the screen or hit the link in the description below and secure your seat in the Funding Formula Workshop now. But for all my DIYers, just follow this 3-step process I explained today and you'll be well on your way to securing your first 50K in business credit, the lazy way. Now, even though you have the roadmap to secure business credit, there's still one thing that could absolutely ruin your chances at approvals. It's the type of business you have. So watch this video next and I'll show you how to avoid being flagged as high risk regardless what type of business you bring to the bank. Let's get it.